here is your spacious living room where you can set up your couch. Now here is your spacious kitchen space. Here is your very spacious and beautiful master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Anushri and in today's video we are doing a sample flat tour of Tayar Invoke 2.0 which is located near Kalbhor Nagar, Akurdi, Pune and developed by Tayal Corp. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the sales office और sales office के आगे आपको मिल जाती है ओल्ड मुंबई पुणे हाईवे. But before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly to the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview with the help of the banner. This project is constructed on 7 acres of land parcel with the 6 towers which includes ground plus 4 level parking plus 4 podium plus 36 floors having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am standing on the old Mumbai-Pune highway in front of the sales office. This project is located near Kalbhor Nagar, अकुर्डी पुणे और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है खंडोबा चौक 700 मीटर्स, पीसीएमसी मेट्रो स्टेशन 2.6 किलोमीटर्स and Akurdi railway station 3.6 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 35 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, box cricket, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, gym, party lawn and many more. As you can see, I am standing right in front of the 4 BHK flat which has a carpet area of 1840 square feet. Now this is the entrance and at the entrance you get a digital door lock for security purpose. As soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby where you can customize it with the decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now let's check out the living room. Now here is your spacious living room where you can set up your couch, TV unit. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, tap-on glass railing. Now before I show you the dining space, let me show you the first bedroom as this sample flat is based on the butterfly concept. Now here is your first bedroom where you can set up your bed, TV unit. You also get attached window for natural light and ventilation purpose. You also get an attached washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer verified tiles and glass partition. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. Now let's check out the dining space. Now here is your spacious dining space where you can set up your dining table. You can enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Now let's check out the kitchen. Now here is your spacious kitchen space where you get an L-shaped granite platform with an attached sink. You also get an attached dry balcony where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. You also get a space where you can set up your refrigerator. Now let's check out the second bedroom. You get an attached powder room which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer verified tiles. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Here is your spacious second bedroom where you can set up your bed, TV unit. You also get an attached corner window for natural light and ventilation purpose. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe and an attached washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer verified tiles and shower partition. Now let's check out the third bedroom. Here is your beautiful bedroom, where you can set up your bed, TV unit. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. Also, you get an attached walk-in closet and attached washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer verified tiles. Now let's check out the master bedroom, but before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes. Also 360-degree location tour. All of this under just one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. Here is your very spacious and beautiful master bedroom, where you can set up your bed. You also get a walking space. You can set up your TV unit. You also get an attached balcony, which has an anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing and 3-side covering. You also get a walk-in wardrobe. You also get an attached master washroom with attached sink, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer verified tiles, and both washrooms are separated. So everyone, this was a 4 BHK sample flat tour of Tayal Envoke 2.0, which is located near Kalbhor Nagar, Akurdi, Pune and developed by Tayal Corp. For more information about these videos, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to the Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today through Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.